Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the Vacuum Cleaner V8 Pro. In the box, you'll get a user manual, power adapter, HEPA cleaning brush, drying tray, lithium-ion battery pack, cleaning tool, charging station, handle, roller brushes, clean water tank, and main body. For a good wet-dry vacuum, you cannot go wrong with the Vmai V8 Pro. That is why, in this review, you will learn all about this vacuum and what it offers. Right away, you will notice the design of this vacuum. Everything about this design is sleek, clean, accessible, and mobile. The lightweight nature of this vacuum makes moving it around a nearly effortless task. Every single button and prompt is outlined with precision. You will never be confused as to what you must press or access to perform a particular function. Right on the top of this vacuum, there's a nice LED screen. By looking at this LED screen, you can see the status of this vacuum. Inside of the box you will find a rug brush. You can with this rug brush remove dirt, dust, and hair from rugs and carpets of all sorts. You can just attach this rug brush to the device, move the device across your rug or carpet, and that's it. Place the charging station near the wall. Insert the drying tray into the charging station as following. Plug the DC power socket of the adapter into the DC power socket of the charging station, and then plug the adapter into the power socket. Put the cleaner on the charging station and insert the adapter, then start charging.
Charging start.
To use this mop feature, you just need to pour some water into the main water tank. Right after doing so, you can then pour a few drops of your preferred cleaning solution. Once that's accomplished, you can turn on the device. After turning on the device, you can begin mopping your hard floors. The dirt, gunk, and grime on those floors will be loosened up and removed. You can use the vacuum to remove dirt, dust, and debris from hard and soft floors of all sorts. All of this comes together to create a pleasant and efficient vacuuming experience. Regardless of the surface you need to clean, you can use this vacuum to clean that surface and to remove the various contaminants that are on the surface. The indicator is red and flashes slowly when the dirty water tank is full, so please empty the dirty water tank in time. The dirt water tank must be cleaned as soon as the cleaning work is finished, or it will be stinky. The cleaner can clean the roller brush and pipeline automatically on a self-cleaning base. Please make sure there is enough clean water in the DEAN water tank. Empty the dirty water tank before self-cleaning. Place cleaner on the charging station. Plug in the power supply well. Press the self-cleaning button. The indicator will be white and flash slowly, and the cleaner will spray the clean water. Clean the roller brush and pipeline automatically. Meanwhile, it will vacuum the dirty water into the dirty water tank. Please unplug the power supply and clean the dirty water tank once the self-cleaning mode finished to avoid the dirty water tank getting stinky.